Today marks the commencement of the beach access launch. We at NCC wanted to reaffirm our commitment to the people of Barbados to let them know that these beaches belong to us, these beaches belong to we. And because of that, we want to ensure that the accesses are not blocked. We want to ensure that people from all walks of life, whether it be the disabled community, whoever, that they have access to our beaches, because it is a right and not necessarily a privilege for some, but a right for all Barbadians. We know that the beaches is a place that people come, it's a recreational space. People come and exercise, they come and play sports. There's a mental health component to that as well. So we want to ensure that that is preserved and it is well maintained and it is protected. So it's a shared responsibility. It's not only us, but we share the responsibility with the public of Barbados. So the beach access remains open, protected, and preserved.
I am feeling very little this morning because this is something that the community was looking forward to for ever since. Fully accessible Barbados is a concept from the Barbados Council of the Disabled, and this is something that they're looking forward to. And we are glad that we can start this process in getting ramps to the open areas of the sea.
This rehabilitation of the access points to beaches, that it allows, based on the 50-something sites that we have examined thus far, for Barbadians to have a new free beach access experience, an experience that speaks to how they'll be able to traverse the beach using the facilities that we have put in place. Whether they are hardscape facilities, like for instance what you see here, facilities as it relates to new bathroom facilities, so persons can go and bathe after they have their sea bath. Recreational areas where we put down benches to add to the experience. Some beaches, based on the geography, may require different pavers, so we are adding based on the vernacular of the beach, so that they can maintain the beach heritage and the experience that Barbadians are accustomed to. This is an improvement in terms of signage. It is especially important that we understand that this project would allow us to connect with our mandate, where we have told every single Barbadians that our moral test, which we intend to pass, will be how we treat our most vulnerable, those in the dawn of their lives. The children must be able to have access where they can play and recreate on our beaches. Those in the toilet, the elderly, you've seen it here today, where elderly persons are lounging and enjoying the beach space so they can balance their humors. This is an experience that persons from miles and miles away, thousands of miles away, come just to be able to enjoy.